A clear set of leadership principles are necessary to bring consistency to your leadership. But if this is something you haven't ever thought about, then not to worry. This video is for you. Let's get into it. Hey, Aidan Keneally here, professional founder coach and advisor, helping you, the startup founder, to be better than yesterday every day. Here in these videos, the focus is on you and your business. So if this is your first time seeing one of my videos, please feel free to subscribe for more content just like this. How often have you thought about your leadership principles and their role in your leadership ability? If this isn't something you've ever thought about, then not to worry. It's not as complicated as you might think. A robust set of leadership principles are the foundation needed to bring consistency to your leadership and decision making. Such principles provide a guide to how and why decisions are made and provide a level of efficiency that's needed to make effective and consistent decisions over time. In this video, I outline 8 core principles that have helped underpin my decision making as a founder, board member, and now as an advisor. These are an excellent place to start when thinking about what principles you would like to adopt. As we run through these, consider how they may apply to you, and if they resonate, then feel free to make them your own. Let's get into it. So number 1, respect everyone. As a leader, if you default to respecting everyone you interact with, how you interact with this person becomes simple. You listen more, you ask more questions, and you consider what people say. This approach pays dividends over and over again, and this is why it's my number 1. Number 2, set constraints. Constraints bring focus and simplicity to what we're looking to do and protect against the irresistible desire to do everything all at once. Prioritizing your decision making towards setting constraints and working within them is therefore one of the best ways to simplify complicated tasks and bring structure to your short-term efforts. At first it will seem like you're limiting yourself by adopting such a leadership principle, but you'll be astounded by what you can achieve under self-imposed constraints. Number 3, make mistakes. It's not useful to operate and lead in a way that discourages us from making mistakes. Mistakes are one of the most efficient means for people and organizations to learn and evolve. Leadership principles that encourage ownership of any mistake and ensure we learn from them are therefore vital to startup success. Number 4, build self-trust. Trust is vital in any relationship, and none more so than in your relationship with yourself. As the leader of your organization, you need to trust yourself to lead, so that others may also then trust you. You need to prioritize activities that earn and maintain your trust in yourself, and making this a core driver for how you operate is therefore crucial to how you develop as a leader. Now this is time for an important side note. Don't blindly trust yourself or believe that because you've been right in the past, you will therefore always be right. Just like in any other relationship, trust is not a given right. It's earned and maintained, and you have to make sure you keep earning and maintaining the trust in yourself. So number 5, no matter how upset you are, move on. One of the hardest skills to learn in business leadership is resilience. You might be having a bad day if the internet is slow or if your co-founder isn't pulling their weight. And if left unchecked, such innocuous frustrations can compound into genuine and wasteful problems. Having a leadership principle that guides you to let such things go is therefore vital to long-term success. Number 6, seek criticism. As a founder, criticism is your best friend. People who don't seek and accept critical feedback will never grow, and this is true for any founder. This is why adopting a leadership principle that optimizes for criticism is really useful. Number 7, always seek knowledge outside of your field of expertise. Narrowing the focus of knowledge narrows the mind's ability to think laterally. A diverse knowledge base, canvassing a wide range of topics, not only makes you a more interesting person, but allows you to draw insights that no one else may see. By leading in a way that encourages curious and random knowledge accumulation, you'll be amazed at how you and your teams discover new ways forward for your business. And a quick bonus tip, leverage YouTube. YouTube is now one of the best repositories of information on the planet, and it's only getting better with time. You can learn anything on YouTube, and videos can be consumed within a known period. This makes them easy to fit into your day. Best of all, it's free. And number 8, be open to different ways of doing things. This is the way we've always done it. Has absolutely no place in a modern work environment. There can be many different ways to reach the same outcome, and they all have degrees of merit. Accepting diversity of thought is therefore a foundational pillar of sustained innovation, and a leadership principle that inspires and encourages different ways of doing things will steer you and your team towards optimal ways of working. And so there you have it. 8 leadership principles to consider adopting to underpin your success as a founder and a leader. Adopting these leadership principles could be the secret weapon you've been looking for to bring consistency and continuity to your leadership and your decision making. And so I want to pass the discussion back on to you. What are your core leadership principles and why do you have them? I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this, so feel free to respond in the comments below. As always, if you've found this video useful, then hit the like button and feel free to share this with any other founders that may see this of use too. Again, if this is your first time seeing one of my videos on YouTube, please feel free to subscribe for more content just like this. Finally, if you have any questions or would like to discuss how I can help you and your business, then find me on LinkedIn or contact me via the links in the description box below. Until next time, my name is Aidan Keneally, professional founder coach and advisor, helping you, the startup founder, to be better than yesterday, every day.